Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, I'm getting the car ready for track day. So I'm gonna get up on blocks, got a couple days left to go. I'm gonna go through the whole thing, every nut and bolt, make sure everything's tight, everything's ready to go, check all the fluids. I've had one dilemma, and that's what I want to discuss today, is my fire suppression system. I've got a fire suppression system in the car. It basically, you got two nozzles over the back engine part, fuel system, header area. And then there's one in the passenger compartment kind of up above the driver's knees. My issue is I've been thinking about having a bottle in there, a portable one. Let's say I catch a brake on fire, or if I go off track and the grass catches on fire. You go to some places in Northern California like Thunder Hill, they get a lot of tall grass up there. If you go off track, you can start a fire. So I was gonna put a bottle in, don't really have the room. So instead I did a bunch of research and I'm using this thing called an Element. I'm going to mount this in the car. This thing gives you 50 seconds of run time. It is a lot lighter. Thing weighs, I don't know, half a pound maybe. Show you where I'm going to put it here in the car. I do have to make a bracket for it. Because the bracket doesn't match. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put this thing up into here. Easy to get to, but you can see the tab mounting tab is not going to fit right. Easy to get to, out of the way. I can reach over and grab that thing anytime. I thought about putting it up into here, but then the seat, getting in and out, even into here, even on the door. But this, I think, is my best spot once I get the bracket made. I can still get to the OBD 2-port reader. As I said, we'll get a quick little bracket made and get this thing done up in there, and I think that should look pretty good. And this is just a backup to, if you look in the back window, you can see the fire suppression bottle. So this is just more something that if I have to grab something, get out of the car and help out. I've also got a few people that are wondering what's going on with the Mustang. So let me show you what my son has got here. He's got a 65 here, and we're redoing the whole thing. So you can see we floated the whole, actually he's done 99% of the work. I'm just giving technical advice, but I'm gonna start helping today. This is all the body filler, so we get all this thing nice and square. We're gonna do the whole engine compartment, getting it all sanded down and done, and then this thing will be ready for prime and paint. And then we're building a 347 for it, which is in the garage back over here. So we're just waiting on parts. Seems to be the issue with everything nowadays. Trying to get a set of rods for this thing, those 347 rods, damn near impossible. They're talking March. First it was supposed to be, early January, then February, now March. So we'll see what happens, but stay tuned. I'll show you how I'm gonna make this bracket real quick, and then we'll call this one quick video, and then the next one will be track day. As I said, we'll get this car ready to go. Thanks, bye. Here's the bracket rough cut. So this will sit over here like this. And then I'll have two areas to drive screws into those 1-inch tubes. So should work pretty good. I may have to clean these up. I'm gonna hit this with a grinder around everything and clean up all the edges and then drill the holes. It's just stainless, so it's a little pain in the butt to drill, but a little lubricant and it works pretty well. So, but you can get the idea of how this bracket's gonna work. So my bracket is pretty well made. So now I'm gonna drill some holes. Still need to clean up the edges a little bit around these edges, but we're getting there. And then we'll drill a couple holes there, which we'll put 1032 self-tappers into the chassis with two attachment points there. These will bolt to here, and done. Okay, so the bracket's done. Let me show you what I've got. As you can see, pretty simple. And then this snaps right up into there. So out of the way, I really don't see much of it, so kind of nice. I can still get to everything I need. As you can see, once you stand up in the car, you barely even notice it. So I think we'll call that project done. As I said, quick and simple. As I said, I'll make the car up on blocks here in the next probably 24 hours, go through the whole thing. And the next video you see will be it at Laguna Seca. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you at the track. Thanks.